Okay.
Okay, who is your active customer?
Active
Why
customer.
so many columns show?
Okay, you
Don't
just. I don't know that one all. I.
Top global lah.
She will already. He set the layout. Okay. Okay, maybe you can go to this awesome Italian.
Huh?
Awesome Italian.
Now you filter.
Okay, this one lah. I double click ah.
Okay. Double click.
Okay, done.
Okay, now you actually can edit. Then you click the search here, register number
Okay.
on your right hand side.
Okay.
Okay, click search. Then actually Sendang Berhad and the partnership company will come out information. So proprietorship like the enterprise, maybe the income tax number you need to ask from them.
Okay, right.
Okay, so you check the name now, see the name correct or not. If okay, then you click okay. So after okay, the register number will show here.
Oh.
Okay, then the text here, you can use it TAX.
Okay.
This one, text.
Okay.
Okay, click on text. Here also got register number and the TIN number.
That means this part we have to key in. No need, right?
Auto.
Auto ah.
If have information, then we'll auto. If not, then you will need to manual key in.
Okay.
Okay, so they have the sales tax or not? As you know lah.
Yeah, SST. Okay.
They have or not?
Certain people, certain got, certain don't have. But currently don't have lah.
Currently don't have.
We are
But
not.
this one is their company sales tax or it's not your sales tax.
Okay. This is customer
Their
sales tax.
company, their company got registered with the sales tax. Then need to fill in. Okay?
Okay.
So back to general here. Okay, all this address okay already. Only that the country you must type Malaysia.
Okay.
Indonesia tak boleh.
Okay, the postcode here also you need to retype one more time because this one is for e-invoice purpose.
Okay.
You just enter. Okay, if no information come out, wait, tadi ada, this one,
Auto lama.
auto one.
Okay.
Okay, you just type the postcode and the city state will auto come out.
Okay.
Okay, attention field is optional. You can put or no put also can. But then the phone number you must put at least one phone number.
Okay.
Office number also can. The handphone also can. Okay. Email is optional. Alright. Then here is the e-invoice submission. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Default is e-invoice. If company to company, definitely will e-invoice. And you sell your fish to another company, then this one is e-invoice.
Okay.
Okay, can So all this information basically you need to fill in.
Okay. Only for those company is allocated for the registration number only. Let's say those cash basis one without any.
Okay, this one is business cash basis one is what company?
Like
Cash pasar.
Cash pasar kedai there. There cash
Show me,
bangi.
show me. Where is the account?
This one cash bangi.
Cash bangi is what? Your customer.
Yes, my
The
customer.
customer actually is individual or company.
This is individual.
They don't have company.
No.
They buy from you then?
Yes. They buy. They sell to who we don't know, but they purchase from us on cash basis.
Okay, last time can, but now you must make sure you must get some info whether she need they need e-invoice or not.
Okay, Miss Chin. Okay, let's say for this customer, I going to enter the registration number and those particular the tax general all I complete. Then only the e-invoice submission will be show done, right?
Then only you can submit the e-invoice.
Oh, I see. If those cash
okay.
one don't
you
have
must
one?
You must know your customer. What type of customer? Okay. For example, this one cash money. Maybe they have company, but they don't give you the company
Name lah.
information.
Okay.
Is it not?
Yes,
So
maybe.
if they really don't do any income tax, they don't have company, then you can put cash money lah. Okay, cash money they don't have company ma.
Yeah.
So register number no need to search.
Okay.
Address put or no put also can, but if you issue the invoice you want to put the address also can. Country at least put Malaysia.
Okay.
Yeah. Postcode put or no put also can. Here you need to put consolidate.
Consolidate. Okay.
Consolidate means you will do the e-invoice once a month.
Oh.
Next month 7 days before.
That mean we can dump into one lump sum
System will lump sum for you. You issue invoice as usual, but system will
Capture.
do one e-invoice for you.
Oh, only one invoice. Okay. Those cash basis
so-
only
You must know that they don't have any company. If they implement the e-invoice also, you cannot use cash money already.
Okay.
You must put their company name and all the information. Understand?
Yeah,
Where is
understand.
Miss Lee?
Miss Lee? Miss Lee not here?
Not here, man?
No.
Me lah, Miss Lee.
Oh, Jess Lee
Jessie.
Jasmine is Miss Lee lah.
No, our Miss Lee is a
cash
secret.
money 係咩嚟嘅？
Mana satu?
No, the boss one cash
Sotong,
bunny. Sotong we are send it frozen one.
Oh, actually that one we can get information. Only like
If-
tepi jalan raya, no company name.
No, madam. Like kakak.
Wait lah, if got company name but no
You just-
e-invoice, we can put cash sales can ah?
Kan?
Can.
SSM.
Ah,
Ada SSM.
SSM dia ada company mah.
Ya lah.
Tapi dia tak ada e-invoice mah.
Kalau cash sale walk-in,
But if possible all the customer you issue e-invoice
No, if they don't have e-invoice, we also need to open e-invoice.
Yes, by right need one.
Okay,
Like
now
the
you
big
buy
company.
salmon. Now you buy salmon.
Like
Miss
the
Chin.
big company, we don't implement e-invoice yet. They still issue us the e-invoice, right?
Okay, if a staff purchase one, how?
walk-in customer.
Walk-in customer. Staff purchase walk-in customer you consider as cash sale put consolidate
Oh, only update this part lah. None on just
Yes.
consolidate. Okay, right.
Like this one cash. You can have one cash or cash staff. I don't care lah. Under one cash, each cash you put consolidate.
Oh.
Address don't have, all don't have. It's okay.
Yon
The tax here,
Okay.
Yon automatic.
the tax here you must put general public for the consolidation.
Okay, right.
Right now
Ah.
tax here you need to put general public. Okay, go back to general here. You must put consolidate.
Okay.
This is walk-in individual. They don't have company. So for those who have company, better you get information from them and then just issue invoice. Don't care they implement or not.
Okay.
Okay. So what type of customer? Okay.
Again.
Yon.
The active one.
Yon.
Yon
Eon where?
Yon.
Yon got two.
Yon
Yon
go.
one.
Yon one
Yon is one consignment.
Yon two.
Yon
This one?
one is outline mah. Hantar barang.
This one Yon one
Then Eon is company You must get the full information from them
Telephone number,
Okay, how
address.
about this customer category? No need, right? This one?
No need
No, no need. Okay.
You do the category or the while do
No. That's why I'm asking.
Tiba-tiba tertanya.
If you don't do, then no need. Make e-invoice submission.
Mm.
Okay. Now, like this, you can see register number have already, PIN
Oh,
have already.
online.
Okay, like eINVOICE. eINVOICE. So you have 2 account. I think this one is the account. Okay, so you just edit, you search. eINVOICE call M Berhad lo, only one ma. So you just click OK. The text here basically will come out.
Yes.
Let
Okay,
me check out.
general here you need to fill in all the address, country,
okay.
postcode, phone number, like that lo.
Okay, right.
Can ah?
Can.
Okay. Okay. This is the one type of method to do lah. Okay. So you just edit, search the register number and get the TIN number, right? Okay. Another option is if you really don't have the customer information, you can ask them to fill in lah.
Okay.
Okay. For example, me ah. Okay. For example, me. Okay. So when I search, because I'm sole proprietorship, when I search okay, the TIN number will not come up. And then maybe I'm the new customer to you. I don't have any information. Okay, you can save first. You can save, Then down here, browse. After browse, you right click.
Okay.
Can you see the create info request?
Yes.
Okay, create info request. You request from them. Okay, what you can do is you copy the link. Here is the copy. You cannot do the email because you don't have this function. So you copy, have WhatsApp or not here?
Yeah, this one.
You can WhatsApp the link to them or you can try yourself. If I enter the link, what can I see? So
okay.
this is the thing. Your company name, company register, TIN number, blah, blah, blah. And then here, the customer, me as your customer, right?
Yes.
Wait, I need to fill in the information, no? Wait,
So that means individually I have to send WhatsApp to them. Send the link.
Okay, for example. Okay, here, the text. Okay, they need to fill in, then they need to click validate, no? Then fill in the company name. Fill in the SSD. If SSD no, then NA, then my phone number. So all this is customer fill in for you.
Okay.
Okay. Then here got add address, so you can cut the customer use. Click on add address, then fill in the address. Like that. Then the city. Okay. Successful. Successful. This one is submitted by the customer, right?
Yes.
In your SQL, remember, because maybe one day you share the link, different customer, different link. You share the link to the customer, maybe 20 company. Then you need to go to brown screen. This is called the listing screen, right?
Yes.
Correct. Just now is this one request here, right? Correct.
Yes.
Then you want to retrieve all customer information in one shot. Then you need to come listing here. So right click here also. Batch retrieve. You retrieve the information into your SQL.
Okay.
Okay. You see, I click batch retrieve. Okay. Then when I double click to PC cleaning Niaga, you see? All the information will fill in.
Auto lah. That means the customer fill
Auto.
means auto.
You need to retrieve.
Okay.
Yes. Can?
Can.
Okay, this one I delete. So this is how you get the information from the customer. Okay. My customer asked me to training already. Okay. Then you need to do the invoice. Okay. For example, today you issued 18 invoices.
No. Today one is a 26. Then,
Oh, it's okay. Like the school, you need to fill in or not, the school?
I have to check with the boss Nick first.
Need, you no need to check with your boss. All the information you can pass to them to fill in. All this school, school is government, right?
Yes.
Government no register number one. Address still need to fill in. Country, postcode, phone. Then e-invoice submission type also e-invoice, even though they are government.
Okay.
Only the tax here, you need to select government.
Okay.
This is the government. Okay, so this one must submit the e-invoice also. Can So
Can.
here got one sample already. So you look at the sample and then you edit one by one.
Okay.
If you want them to submit for you, then request the info.
Okay, right.
Okay. Okay. Then the invoice here. Okay, I show you the demo. Okay. This is our demo SQL Connect. Here is the e-invoice. Normally you use this one, right?
Yes.
Here got one e-invoice for demo purpose one. Your
New
can
update.
test here. We got 10 minutes. Okay, not come out. Set. Okay, here.
E-invoice.
Okay, you issue the invoice as usual, but make sure the customer information is complete. Okay, for example, this one is your customer. Okay, you just key in invoice as usual. Alright, and then you save. Correct?
Yeah.
You save, normally you print out. Normally you print out or PDF or WhatsApp.
3 also.
Semua ada.
3 also, okay. Then on your left hand side got one more here. M-O-R-E. You can pin the more here, pin it. Then you can see two screen. Okay. One is more, one is your invoice.
Okay.
Okay, then you scroll down. Actually, this is your customer information.
Okay.
Your customer address, phone number, the register number, the TIN number. Industry code actually is your industry code, not the customer.
Okay.
Your industry code already preset in the SQL. Okay? Then one click button on your right hand side. Can you see the My Invoice?
My invoice.
My Invoice here. Click on the My Invoice. Then you can see Submit E-Invoice. No more sandbox. Later on, no sandbox wording come out.
Okay, that means
Submit E-Invoice. Okay, click on it. If you click here, that means you submit one by one, invoice by invoice.
Okay.
Okay, then too many requests means the server
Slow.
loading. Okay, retry. So we can just close the screen. No need to wait for it. Okay, for example, I issue another bill to another customer. Okay, I save. Then another bill, another customer. For example. Okay, save. Okay, then I can go to brown screen, because I can every day I can one batch submit or few days later also can. So far no block. Okay. Previously, say after you issue the invoice need 72 hours, right? So now later on also can. Alright, we go to brown screen. Okay, this is the invoice I submit just now.
Okay.
Okay, can you see the icon like loading icon in purple
Yes.
color?
Yeah.
Okay, this one is not valid yet. Means we submitted only.
Oh.
Okay, status here you can see on your right hand side submitted. Okay, so what we can do, we can try to my invoice. We can refresh. See that?
Yeah.
Refresh e-invoice status. Okay, try to refresh. Then it becomes valid already.
Okay.
Because what? Because we no need to wait for validation, we just do other things. Okay? Alright. Now
No, Miss Chen,
left
this
two
part
invoices.
every day once we have printed the invoice, every day we have to do, or either one lump sum 1 week once or 2 weeks once.
Depends. If you think the invoices complete already, you can do every day, then every day do.
Every day I do, I mean individual invoices.
No need one batch also can.
I mean today invoice, let's say 20 over. So this 20 over, I just highlight one by one or how?
No need highlight.
Then?
No need highlight. Okay, now you can see 2 invoices not
Yes.
submit yet. You just click my invoice, you just click this one, batch submit.
Okay.
Okay. The system will auto select the invoices for you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now only 2 invoices not submit Okay. So if your invoice no need to print out immediately to pass to the driver and pass to the customer, then no need immediate submit.
Okay. Once we are submitted, we cannot do any amendment, right?
Within 3 days, you can cancel and redo and resubmit.
If let's say after 1 week later, after
3 days.
After 3 days, then you need to credit note. Credit note also need to submit e-invoice.
If let's say the quantity is wrong, got some amendment,
Editor.
also edit for within 3 days.
Immediate, within 3 days, you can amend. Okay, so now, for example, I submit all.
2.
If one day you have 20, then before you go back, you can submit also.
Okay.
Okay, so this one too many means loading. Okay, I just close. Oh, this one cannot close.
This one auto
Okay,
system.
forced to close. Alright, so I try to refresh or I try
Submitted.
to refresh e-invoice status. Still loading. Now only valid.
Okay.
Valid.
Okay, press again. One more not valid yet. So this one you can later on batch refresh also, no problem. Still loading. This means not valid. Okay? So for example, this one I already submit and valid already. So you can see here got 2D. Yeah, 2D.
Yeah.
It means you still have 2 days to cancel this invoice. Very easy one. You just double click this invoice.
Okay.
Like you say, the quantity they receive by today maybe lost 1 kg. Then you just for example you just edit the quantity Now edit the quantity can or not? Cannot, because you already submit. What we can do is you need to cancel the whole invoice.
Oh dear.
Double click my invoice also. Just cancel.
Oh.
Cancel. Yes, you must tell the system what is the reason. Either wrong buyer details or wrong invoice details. So wrong invoice details, initial cancellation.
That means I have to re-key in on the same invoice.
You edit, re-key in, and then resubmit only.
Oh.
Using the same number. Now this one cancelled already. Status.
That means the same number I can use back.
Use back. Then you just edit, use back this number, and then you just amend the quantity. Save.
Okay.
Then my invoice, then submit again. That's easy.
After PO first can everything confirm then only.
Don't need or else you don't submit first. Wait them to receive, then only submit.
After driver come back.
You can print out first. Print out without the QR. You see after we submit okay, refresh. After we submit when you print the DO the invoice which invoice you are using?
First one.
Oh, this one is not yours one.
Yeah, number.
Okay, for example, this one. Okay, here you will see one QR code.
Oh.
If you haven't submit e-invoice, that means no QR code. You just let them check. After everything confirmed, then you can edit and then submit.
Send again.
Submit because you are not submit yet, you print out only like draft. You let them receive the goods and check the goods. Then maybe tomorrow only they feedback to you. Your items are all correct. Normally, how you practice? Immediate, no shortage or need to wait tomorrow.
This one, sometimes the customer, they say they're short of the quantity, then they request for the reduced price, then we will reprint.
Immediate or how many days?
Immediate.
Sometimes it's immediate, sometimes after 1 week also got. Sometimes it's after 1 month when they receive statement, then only they will list that these things is a shortage for just.
It's okay after that credit note
Okay, the mean within 3 days only lah. After that we have to do CN.
You see within 1 week or once a week submit. So far the date haven't blocked yet lah.
Okay.
Like today issue invoice, next week you also can submit.
Okay.
You give yourself a period. So after 1 week, no CN or nothing, then you submit.
Okay.
Okay, then you need to choose selection already because you based on the week, right? Okay, this is the invoice. Okay, you issue any CN or not?
Got sometime lah.
Where you issue?
This is from the customer.
Sales credit note.
Yes.
So you cannot issue here.
Oh, that
You
one
must
also got.
Issue here.
Sales credit note, of course, yeah. Another part in the customer section there, I issue credit note for the Eon payment one.
Cannot.
Cannot.
All must here because credit note you need to submit e-invoice also. The Eon what credit note?
That
you
is
issue?
the sales commission credit note.
Oh, cannot.
Cannot.
Wait, you give them